riding has always occupied something of a niche in the motorcycling world, but more recently events like Dirtquake and the DTRA series have done wonders to shine a light on the fun of the sport, encouraging more people than ever before to engage with and participate in it. So desperate to have a go ourselves, we've teamed up with our friends at Build Magazine and Bell Helmet. We've come along here to Rye House for a day with Pete Boast's Flat Track Champion School. We've invited along some of our friends from the industry as well as some of our customers to have a go, and hopefully with a bit of Pete's help we're all going to go from zero to hero in no time. So without further ado, let's go and get started.
Welcome everybody, you just picked the perfect day. It could be in California, it could be anywhere, couldn't it?
Right, so what we've got to do here is simply go through the cones and try not to make an idiot of yourself. Cheers, Pete. So around the cones, which someone's already knocked over, not naming anyone, John in front, and whack a legendary skid, foot out, press the crowd. Well, so far so good. We've done a couple of sessions, literally just going around cones, making sure we're not complete liabilities to ourselves and everyone else. And we've been doing some figure of eights, really focusing on leaning the bike right over and then having your body weight off the outside, which seems really counterintuitive as a road rider, but so far so good.
I've noticed we're all beginning to now lean the bike a little bit more and get used to the thing moving around a little bit. So what we've got to do, we've just got to like twist our body a little bit like that, okay? And all of a sudden our leg comes out in the perfect position. It just actually falls there in the right place then. So we now want to get used to the bike just moving around, maybe the front wheel going, back wheel going.
I think you're probably not twisting your pelvis enough, so try not to worry about it. You're just going to get the technique right first, and then you'll go much faster in the end if you get the technique right. Benny, sorry, buddy.
Biggest injury of the day to the cameraman. So we've had a great morning mucking about on these absolute beastly 125s, just getting an idea of moving around on the bike. So we've been playing around with cones, getting an idea of really getting that bike sliding around and trying to get the technique right. So we're going to get our own bikes out in the end as well as watch the pros do it and then get some pointers from that. So hopefully we'll still be standing at the end of the day.
Hi, I'm Charlie Stockwell from Wars Harley Davidson. This is my flat track custom sports. I race this in the UK DTRA Hooligan Series, and I'm here at Rye House today, and I'll be throwing a few laps just after lunch, hopefully keeping it top side up and not making a tit of myself.
The beauty of this track, and it's really nice, is there's a little bit of banking on it, as you can all see. If you notice on them boards there, it's got quite a lot of scrapes on. I don't want any of you fine people to have add to them scrapes.
Listen to that hog. 125cc madness. So we're going to try get this line right, lean away from the bike, get it skidding round a bit. Definitely felt a little bit of movement there. Essentially, just trying to lean the bike out right the wrong way around and kind of counter steer around the corner. If I'm honest, I don't know what I'm doing very much, but just trying trying to emulate these guys in front a little bit. Trying a slightly higher gear. So I'm going to try a bit of back brake on this one. Flip that throttle. Getting it a bit wide there. But keep that power down. Got to keep that inside arm straight and feel the bike slide. Don't fight it. Definitely getting used to that movement. Not feeling so scary anymore. So we've had several sessions in the 125 class going around the track in full, and it's just amazing. Like the fact that you're getting these bikes fully sliding around, it's just such a wonderful feeling. And honestly, when we started today, I didn't think we were going to end up in a position with the bikes actually kind of doing what we came here to do. I thought it would be, you know, a very small taster, but we've really got the bikes moving. It's great fun. We've just watched the Eagles do it as well, and hopefully it's going to be a chance to get my 800cc desert sled out as well, which is going to be altogether a bit different. Been amazing, this bike. Like, so much torque coming out of the corners. Just a wonderful bike to do this day on.
Hello.
Fellow brave own bike class candidate, how did it go?
Very good, loved it.
Yeah, so this is your entirely non-appropriate bike with non-appropriate tyres.
Still have my camping rag on.
Excellent.
Because I was camping last weekend, but yeah, it's
excellent. Well, that gives you the maximum style points, so well done. Well done. Well, so we've had an absolutely incredible and tiring day here, and even if I haven't managed to look like a hero, I certainly feel like one. This has been such a great experience, just getting used to the bike moving around in ways that you're just not accustomed to on the road. You can see everyone's still going strong. This has been a wonderful day, and I think everybody's come away with more skills than they started the day with, for sure. And also it's just been really fantastic. So thanks very much for watching. We're going to hopefully bring more days like this, experiences out of the ordinary for the urban rider. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.